Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do I fix my phone if it's not allowed? 6 methods to fix phone not allowed for voice. Contact the carrier operator. Reinsert the SIM card in your phone. Dial the unlock code to unlock your device. Check network connection. Check software update. Repair Android system issues by reboot for Android. Is my IMEI blacklisted? Find the IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity, or ESN, electronic serial number. You can find these numbers in your phone settings in the About section, on your battery, the phone box, or on the back of the phone. Once you find the number, call your carrier to verify if it's blacklisted.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.